So let's begin by telling you more of what is happening vis-a-vis the Hathras story. Remember, the stampede is reported on the 2nd. 120 plus people have lost their lives. There are, multiple FIRs now that have been put in place, but not a single FIR against a self-styled godman. In fact, where is he? What about his whereabouts? No one knows. The UP police, as it continues to probe the entire tragedy, which has claimed about 120 lives, now have gone ahead to arrest 6 members of the organizing committee that was responsible for the management of the satsang event in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras. On your screens, you're also looking at images that have come in earlier today of Rahul Gandhi, who traveled to Hathras. He's spoken to those who've lost their loved ones. He's also raised direct questions at the administration and also saying that there wasn't enough police bandobast, and he's clearly escalated the politics when it comes to the story. But before we tell you more about that, let's tell you more also about those people who've been identified and arrested so far. Now, their names are as follows: Ram Kumar, Upendra, Megh Singh, Manju Yadav, Mukesh Kumar and Manju Devi. So when you have Rahul Gandhi visiting all these victims, their families, speaking to them, he's raised these concerns. He's also said that I will be raising this issue in the parliament. I will speak for you, is what he has said to the victims. So let's first up play out exactly what we've heard from Rahul Gandhi earlier today.
दुख की बात है, बहुत दुख की बात है। बहुत परिवारों को नुकसान हुआ है, काफी लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है। तो दुख की बात है। मैं इसको राजनीतिक प्रिज्म से नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, मगर प्रशासन की कमी तो है जी, और गलतियां तो हुई हैं। थोड़ा साइड करिए। तो ये पता लगाना चाहिए, और शायद सबसे जरूरी बात कि कॉम्पनसेशन सही मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये गरीब परिवार है और मुश्किल का समय है इनके लिए। तो कॉम्पनसेशन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, और मैं यूपी के चीफ मिनिस्टर से विनती करता हूँ कि दिल खोल के कॉम्पनसेशन करें।
राहुल जी, आपने बड़ी बात मुआवजे की कही है, 2 लाख की बात उन्होंने कही है, तो मुआवजा निश्चित तौर पे ज़्यादा उनको मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि बहुत गरीब लोग हैं।
मिलना चाहिए, गरीब लोग हैं, इस समय इनको ज़रूरत है, इस समय इनको ज़रूरत है। अब आपने 6 महीने बाद दिया, 1 साल बाद दिया, डिले किया, उससे किसी का
सर परिवार वालों से आपकी बात हुई, उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा, किसको दोषी मानते हैं परिवार? जी
देखिए, परिवार वालों से मेरी पर्सनल बात हुई जी, उनके परिवार के बारे में, उनके बच्चों के बारे में, माता के बारे में, वो कैसे थे, क्या करते थे, तो वैसी बात हुई है। उन्होंने कहा कि प्रशासन की कमी है। उन्होंने कहा कि जो अरेंजमेंट वहाँ पुलिस का होना चाहिए था वो नहीं था, ठीक है। बट बहुत दुख में है, शॉक में है। तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में मैं मतलब उनकी जो स्थिति है, उनकी सिचुएशन है, उसको समझने की कोशिश।
So Rahul Gandhi, remember, meets with those who've lost their loved ones. Then Times now also decided to speak to them and understand whether these netas, when they visit, a spot like this, when they go back after a tragedy like this, is it just about empty promises, or they really help the families in this difficult hour? This is Tejshri speaking to some of them.
अभी राहुल गांधी आप ही से मिलकर गए थे, यहाँ पर थोड़ी देर पहले आए थे।
जी मैम।
क्या कुछ बातचीत हुई, क्या बताया आपने उनको?
हमारे हस्बैंड से होती बात, हमसे नहीं, उन्होंने बताया।
अच्छा। सभी परिवार के लोग जिनके परिजन गुजरे हैं सभी यहाँ पर मौजूद थे?
जी मैम।
क्या कुछ कहा गया उनकी तरफ से आपको, किस तरह से बात की? क्या
की बात पूछ रहे थे, क्या क्या हुआ वहाँ पर? तो उन्होंने बताया कि बाबा श्री की जो गाड़ी निकल रही थी उसके पीछे जनता भागी है, तो पानी फेंका गया उनके ऊपर, तो पानी फेंकने के बाद उनसे पैर फिसले हैं, तो तरह ऊपर मतलब गिरते चले गए हैं।
आप भी गई थी उस दिन सत्संग?
नहीं मैम, हमारी सासू माँ गई थी।
अच्छा
जी मैम।
क्या हुआ था उनके साथ?
कुछ नहीं मैम, वैसे ही निकल के आ रही थी, उन्हें भी जनता भाग रही थी उनके पीछे, वो भी उनकी चरणों की धूल लेने के लिए, तो पैर फिसल गया उनकी भगदड़ में, तो उनकी भी डेट हो गई मैम।
मेरी बहन थी।
आपकी बहन थी? आप भी गई थी तब उस वक्त सत्संग?
नहीं, मैं नहीं जाती, मेरे पीछे बहुत पड़ी थी, पर मैं गई नहीं थी। मेरा बेटा दिल्ली जा रहा था, मैंने मना कर दी थी।
क्या बोले राहुल गांधी जब आपसे आए, यहाँ पे मिले, बताया आपने उनको?
वो तो यूँ कह रहे थे हम इसका समाधान करेंगे।
आपके साथ खड़े ऐसा बोला उन्होंने?
हाँ, उन्होंने
एक एक करके आप लोगों ने अपनी बात रखी उनके सामने?
हाँ, रखी थी। उन्होंने कहा हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
We also have Tetri who's joining us live, and she, remember, has been tracking this entire so-called political visit, as the BJP terms this, Tetri. But, you know, does this visit really help those who've lost their loved ones? Because there are some very, very strict and unpardonable questions that have to be asked, uncomfortable questions, Tetri. What have you, figured out after speaking to all these people who've lost their loved ones? What do they say?
They just have one question in their mind, that what was our fault and what was the fault of those who have lost their lives. And in fact, they also told us that Rahul Gandhi assured them that he stands strong with them, and that proper compensation should be given from the side of the government, is what Rahul Gandhi said while speaking to the media. But as far as the victims and the injured and the family members of the deceased ones are concerned, yes, they are mourning, they are in deep pain, because whatever has happened is, certainly it was very much unexpected for them as well. And in fact, that is why they were asking this question, that what is our fault, and that this political visit, as far as the visit of Rahul Gandhi is concerned, at such point of time, it seems like he said, in fact, that it is not good to politicize this matter. But then he also highlighted that there were deficiencies if we talk about the administration part at the spot. And he also said that the victim's family also told him that there was no enough police deployment at the time when stampede happened. Now you see, on one hand the politics is underway, on the other hand there's also investigation underway in which arrests are being made, committees are being formed, a special inquiry report is being submitted to the officials so as to what went wrong at that particular moment.
Okay. All right, these are obviously very, very important questions, and Tetri, far more important, I think, than a lot of politics that has unfortunately happened over the entire incident. I'm just requesting you to stay with us, as we'll also now push that point a little further that Tetri made. Remember, the BJP continues to say that this is not the moment of politics. In fact, we have Nalin Kohli, who's responded to that charge that was made by Rahul Gandhi earlier, when he said that this is, quote-unquote, insufficient compensation. Listen in to what the BJP says.
In the first place, the UP administration has immediately swung into action, and what needs to be done is being done. If Mr. Rahul Gandhi or the Congress party, as part of their desire to meet with the victims and to more, sort of send a positive messages going there, obviously that's a welcome step, but they cannot certainly politicize it, because if they politicize it, then the allegation or what is being made against them will become true, that wherever there is an incident in which people die or people are affected, they go there to incite people, which does not help the cause, does not help the people whom they are pretending to help.
So some very strong words you've heard from the BJP, but how has the Congress responded? The Congress is hitting back, and the Congress says that the administration, the government, must take responsibility for the lapses.
What the big thing is, after all, something happens and there has to be some reaction, is it not? You have to answer, you have to respond. That's what exactly he has asked. He has not asked the dead people to come alive. What he said is, let the government react, respond, how it had happened, why it happened, because the satsang is happening for long, but there has to be some kind of a precaution or some kind of arrangement made by the state government. So state government must take responsibility, because it is a responsible agency on which is.
श्री राहुल गांधी हमेशा जहां आंसू होते हैं, दुख होता है, तकलीफ होती है, पहुंचने वाले पहले लोगों में से होते हैं। वो वहां पहुंच गए, उन्होंने वहां पीड़ित जनों से मिले, पीड़ित परिजनों से मिले, और उन्होंने जो मांग रखी वहां की मुआवजा कम से कम बहुत कम दिया गया है, तो मैं उस मांग में बढ़ाना चाहता हूं, कम से कम 1 करोड़ रुपए पीड़ितों को दिया जाए।
So the Congress